Jablotron 100 Plus is our flagship security system and offers a comprehensive solution for both security and ease of use. Nowadays, an alarm isn't simply about protecting a building from burglary. The customer also expects additional functions such as smoke and flood detectors to protect against the elements, or controls for adjusting the heating and control of various appliances. Thanks to its wide range of products, the Jablotron 100 Plus system is suitable for protecting various types of buildings, from flats and family houses to cottages and small businesses. When using all the options to their fullest, the system can be divided into 15 subsystems or sections. The alarm can communicate with up to 230 detectors, including keypads and controls. It can handle up to 128 logic for relays and, last but not least, up to 600 users can control it. Another of the system's basic functions is the option of using the calendar, which can be used, for example, to set the system to work at a specific time or to control appliances at regular intervals. The Jablotron 100 Plus is a hybrid alarm. This means that elements can be connected via a bus wirelessly or by a combination of both. We use the bus in new builds where it is possible to count on the fact that the cabling has been installed in advance. The great advantage of bus elements is that they are easier to maintain compared to wireless, where the detector's batteries may need to be changed regularly. Wireless devices, which have a communication range of up to 300 meters under ideal conditions, are often used in completed buildings where we want to avoid the need to run cabling. Or they can be used to complement a bus installation and turn it into a hybrid solution. A big plus of wireless products is the speed and simplicity of installation. To give you an idea, for a typical family home, it's possible to install, set up and hand over a professional system to the customer in one working day.